Hi, this is a quick video on how to replace the oxygen sensor or air fuel sensor for a Camry or Lexus V6. This is the location of where the oxygen sensor is located if you're getting an error code of P1135. It's between the firewall and the engine. Here down is the firewall. It's a good idea to spray some PB Blaster or other lubricating oil onto the sensor because it's going to be very tight. You'll need an oxygen sensor socket. A 7/8 inch will do, and I'll include a link to one such socket in the video description. Fit that socket over the existing oxygen sensor, and it's going to be very tight. One trick is to warm up the engine for at least 5 minutes. That will heat up the exhaust system and make it a little bit easier to loosen. Once you've broken that oxygen sensor loose, it's now time to disconnect to the electrical connector. So stick a screwdriver in between the tab and the body and push that tab outward, as is shown here, and then pull that electrical connector out. Then go ahead and loosen up the oxygen sensor the rest of the way and remove it. This is the bad oxygen sensor that has been removed. And the new sensor that you want is a Denso model 2349047. I'll put a link in the description. This is the old and new sensor together. You can often tell by the length of the wire whether you have the correct one. The one in the front of the engine will have a longer wire. Put some of the anti-seize onto the threads. This comes with the Denso sensor. And then put the new sensor back into the port and screw it in. Make sure you get that sensor most of the way screwed in before connecting the electrical connector so that the wire doesn't get all twisted up. Once the sensor is mostly tightened up, press the connector into place until you hear a click. There's that click. And then use your oxygen sensor socket to go ahead and tighten up that sensor the rest of the way. Just make sure it's nice and snug, no need to go overboard. Then wiggle the socket loose, and that completes the replacement. If you liked the editing and the brevity of this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.